This is Jonathan at Brubaker Chrysler Jeep, here to introduce our latest trade. It's a 2018 Honda Odyssey Touring trim level, which is the second highest trim level. As you can see, it's very well maintained. It has around 72,000 miles on it, and it's priced at $31,995. As I did mention, this is very well equipped. We'll hop inside and I'll show you a few of the features. So now that we're in the vehicle, of course, you'll see a lot of nice features, including the leather interior. It does have your heated seats, also has your remote start system. It's going to have your triple zone climate control, so you can control up here and then also in the back. Of course, it'll have your DVD player for entertainment for your family. It has a sunroof. It has a lot of advanced safety features as well, including your adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, parking or forward mitigation warning. Has memory seating for the driver. It is very, very well equipped. You know, once again, if you're looking for a nice vehicle, come check it out. Very well maintained and very well equipped.